Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple but very useful trick on your phone. How to enable Vibrate for playing media notifications on Google Chrome. If you've ever missed a notification while playing music or watching a video, this setting will make sure you never overlook it again. It's quick, easy, and only takes a minute to set up. Let's get into it. First, start by opening your phone's main settings app. This is where all the important system options live, and it's the first step to adjusting how Chrome handles notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Your phone will show you a full list of all the applications installed on your device. Look through the list until you see Chrome, then tap on it to open up its specific settings. Once you're inside Chrome's settings, the next step is to tap on Notifications. This section gives you control over different types of alerts Chrome can send, from downloads and site notifications to background activity. Inside Notifications, look for the option labeled Notification Categories and give it a tap. This is the key area that breaks down Chrome's alerts into specific groups, allowing you to customize them individually. Now, find the category named Playing Media. This is the one responsible for alerts related to videos, audio, and media playback within Chrome. Tap on it to open the settings. Here you'll see a few different controls, but the one we're focusing on is the toggle for Vibrate. Simply switch it on. Once it's enabled, anytime Chrome shows a playing media notification, your phone will also vibrate. And that's it, just a few easy steps to make sure you never miss a media alert in Chrome again. By turning on vibration, you'll always get a subtle nudge even when your sound is off or when you're busy doing something else. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and try it right now. It's a small change that makes a big difference, especially if you often use Chrome for videos or streaming. Thanks for watching,